How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the scroll speed in OSU. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the application right here, click on the giant OSU button, and then you want to select setting. Now, instead of going through the setting that we have, you can just go ahead and search for scroll to make things a lot easier. Because as you may have known, there's a lot of settings that you can edit inside OSU. So you want to click on this search icon, and then you simply want to type for scroll. Inside, we then have the rule sets, also mania, and then we have the scrolling direction. If you want to edit the scrolling direction for up and for down, you can then go ahead and simply do that right here. And so that's how simple it is. That's how simple it is to do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.